woods.
Follow me.
You need to tell us about the trail.
Now, see this? This is the trail I went on, and these are all the leaves and stuff. Oh, and let's go back here. Ah! Oh, there's my sister. See? This is my sister. She's coming with us. This one. And see this? That, I thought that was a beaver dam, but it's not. There's no water. So, come on, let's follow me.
Alethea is recreating her class trip to the bird sanctuary for us.
See that? See that stick?
Uh-huh.
See that crazy stick? It's a wiggly stick. And that's a tree that's holding it up. It's actually a wiggly tree. I think it's so wiggly that I don't
See,
really know
we
what's
have
up.
trees in Missouri.
See that? We saw a squirrel on that.
Whoa, Missouri wildlife.
Oh, do we have the notebook? Where's the notebook?
We do have a notebook.
It's not here.
She's
Follow
taking
me.
notes on it. All right.
See this? This was the stick I was talking about. See? It's all nice and barky. Feel it. And it's bendy, boinky.
It's very barky
And boink.
and boinky. All right, we'll take an intermission.